Most of you know that Nico doesn't get along with Noki too well. One time I was sitting filming and I caught Nico chasing Noki. Yesterday, something very rare happened in my life. After 3 months, maybe Nico's getting used to Noki a little bit. I always make 2 plates of food because right now, Nico will not allow Noki to eat on the same plate as him. Here's our little chop, eat it together. Nix and Noki normally eat together. Oh, wait. That's Noki and Nico. Right next to each other. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, wait until Nico actually attacks, because this is probably gonna happen. They are eating together. Let's see how long it lasts. This is actually amazing to me right now. You don't understand. He always attacks Noki. I thought there was a Nix and it's Nico. So crazy. Good boy, Nico. Nice. No, Nick. See, I was waiting for that. You guys, that was amazing! Here, Noki, don't be sad. Come here. Go eat with your girl. Eat with your girls. So they're getting used to each other.